Game development is exciting, but also very overwhelming, especially when you're just starting out. There is so much to learn and it's easy to feel lost or discouraged. But if I could go back and start fresh, I know exactly what I focus on. So if you're a beginner game developer, here are 3 things I wish I knew when I started game development. Game development is hard and it requires a lot of different skills. Even making a simple game means you need to learn how to code, how to do art, 3D or 2D, design sound effects, and sometimes even write a compelling story. And if you ever want to sell your game, there's even more that you need to learn. You need to learn business, marketing, localization, maybe even hiring people, and lots more. Each of these skills can take years to master. And if you work in solo or in a small team, you have to wear multiple hats. That's why a good way to start is with tutorials. They give you a structured way to learn without feeling completely lost. In my opinion, the best way to start is by learning how to use a game engine as well as learning how to code. It doesn't matter which engine you choose, if it's Godot, Unreal Engine, Unity, because the skills you learn in one engine can be easily extrapolated to a different one. So the engine you choose at the beginning, it doesn't matter at all, and you can always change if you feel like it. The most important is that you learn the logic of how things work behind the scenes. And you don't need to master coding right away. Just understanding the basics like variables, if statement, loops, and things like that is gonna be a huge advantage. And if you're more into the art side of game dev and you want to team up with a programmer, I personally think that you should still learn how to use a game engine and how to code, at least like the very basics, because this will help you work more efficiently and communicate better with other people, and as well as troubleshoot small issues that you may have instead of getting stuck on your own. So basically the goal is to build a foundation of knowledge that will help you make progress without feeling too overwhelmed, because trust me, there is a lot you need to learn when making a game. Making games take a lot of time. Even small, simple projects can take weeks, months, even years. And when you're starting out, progress can feel very slow. But here's the thing, slow progress is still progress. If you do a little bit every day, whether it's coding, learning how to do 3D, learning a new tool, you'll build up your skills much faster than you think. And most importantly, at the start, do it because you enjoy it, not because you expect instant results. If your main goal for making a game is to make money straight away, you are in the wrong place. Game dev is a long-term journey, and the people who stick with it are the ones that enjoy the process rather than just the end result. This doesn't mean that you shouldn't dream big. I think you should be ambitious. Having big dreams is gonna also help you stay motivated. But in the beginning, focus on learning, experimenting, and just having fun. The skills you build up now will set you up for success later. At some point, you're going to feel like your work is not good enough. It's very easy to look at other experienced game developers or artists and think, wow, I'll never be this good. You're gonna doubt yourself, you're gonna wonder if you wasted your time, and you're gonna want to quit many times. But what you don't see is the many years of practice that these amazing people have behind it. And here's the secret. Every game developer has felt this way. Even professionals with years of experience still feel this way. This feeling is called imposter syndrome, and it's completely normal. Your brain is tricking you into thinking that your work is not good and that everybody else knows what you're doing except you. But in reality, every developer is constantly learning, struggling, and improving just like you. The best way to fight imposter syndrome is to track your progress. Save old projects, keep your early artwork, record small wins. And whenever you feel like you're not improving, come back to this early work, look back when you started, and you're gonna see how much are you actually improving. And most importantly, be kind to yourself, because this feeling of not being good enough doesn't mean that you're failing. It just means that you're human. And funny enough, it also means that your brain is working as intended. You're gonna have this feeling many times, so just get comfortable with it. Game development is a journey, it's not a race. You don't need to know everything right away. So you can start small, learn at your own pace, and the most importantly of all, the most important thing you need to do is have fun. If you stick with it, keep learning, you will get better. And one day you're going to look back at your early work and you're going to realize how much you've grown. So take it one step at a time and enjoy the process. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out more tips for game development. And if you want to know more about me and my journey as a game developer, you can go watch this next video when I talk more about it. Bye!